Hi guys, Jen here with How Jen Does It. Welcome to my home. Today I am going to share my fall decor. I love how it turned out. I have an entryway table that I didn't have when I decorated last fall, so I got some new things and I just love how it turned out. I will link my entryway table below. I get asked about it all the time and it is just gorgeous, I think. So I decided to mix it up a little bit. I went with mostly neutrals, but you'll see a little bit of color. And I figured I would go around and show you everything and let you know where everything is from. So this is a new addition. I love the texture of this gourd. I got it at HomeGoods. I think even if you are using a lot of neutrals, that it's great to add texture. The burlap pumpkin is just from the Dollar Tree, and then the mercury glass pumpkin I had, but you can usually find those at HomeGoods. The basket that this plant is in is from IKEA. This candle holder is from Hobby Lobby. I actually got this a little while ago, but they do still have them. I just saw one when I was there recently. I got this Hello Fall sign from Target in the dollar spot. It was only $3, and they did have a couple other ones as well. Another burlap pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, and then the white pumpkins with the gold on them are actually from the Target dollar spot as well. They came in a pack of 6 for $3. This terrarium I got a while ago at World Market. If I can find it, I will link it or something similar. And then I have a LED candle in there. It looks really pretty when it's lit. And then I just added some leaves, pine cones, and acorns in there. I think it looks really pretty. This is what I have on one side of the bottom of the table, and I wanted to give you a quick tip on how I decorate. So I obviously had some fall decor, so what I usually do is take out what I have, place it around, and see what I'm missing and see what would look good in that spot, and then I'll just write myself a list, because it's so tempting to just go to the store and buy a bunch of random things and then try to make them work in your home. So that is what I did. I didn't have to return anything. I just got exactly what I was looking for in the size and everything, and so it worked out well. I knew I wanted some type of sign to fill up the space here. I normally have another sign, you may have seen it in my videos, and then I also have one for when I decorate for Christmas. So I wanted something fall-like, and I knew about the size I wanted, and I wanted something that went well with my decor, of course. And this one had the light blue letters, so I thought it was perfect. It fills up the space really well, and I think it's super cute. I found this at Kirkland's. The candlestick is from World Market. I did get that around Christmas time, so I'm not sure if that is still available. And then these corn I actually got from Michael's, I think last year or the year before. And then the mercury glass pumpkin, I think I got at HomeGoods. This is the other side of the bottom of the table. The mercury glass gourd, I'm pretty sure, is from HomeGoods. I got it a few years ago, but again, you can still find those at HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls for a good price. The bucket is new. I thought it was super cute. And then I just added some aqua pumpkins that I had. I'm pretty sure I got those at Michael's a couple of years ago. If you are more into the orange pumpkins, I did that last year, so I will link my decor from last year for you, so you can check that video out if that is more your style. I like to switch it up, and I am really into the neutrals with a little bit of the blue. I think it looks so pretty with the decor that I have. On the half wall that is across from the table, I have this Farmhouse pumpkin spice candle. I like the look of the jar, I know, but it smells amazing too. And I really like that it's a natural coconut wax blend candle. It smells amazing. This is what the table looks like with all of the candles lit. It looks so nice and cozy. And again, this is when you walk into our home, so I think it's a lovely entryway table. This is upstairs. I changed out the throw to have a more fall color. I did have a white one there for spring and summer, and I got a new pillow. I saw this and I thought it was perfect for my decor, and it's just beautiful and has really great detail. I got this at Pier 1 this year, so if you like it, you should still be able to find it. I'll try to link it if I can find it. These aren't for fall, but you guys know how much I love houseplants. I just added a couple fall touches to my living room. I had this eucalyptus and it dried out, which was perfect for fall. I think it looks so pretty. And then to my tray, I added this new blue pumpkin. I got this from Pier 1. It's wood and then it's painted. I also added just a couple of the pumpkins that I got from the Target dollar spot. I will link the tray. We use it all the time for drinks and snacks and things when we're watching TV, so I didn't want to put too much into it. On my TV stand, I have these wood bowls that I love. I got them from Target a while ago, and then I've done this for the last few years, but I add birch branches and pine cones. I just love the natural look. I think it's a great way to add fall decor without it being too over the top or something that stands out and doesn't look good with the rest of your decor. I have a lot of plants and I definitely wasn't going to move those out to add fall decor. So I just added a couple pumpkins here and there. I got the larger one from Michael's this year, and then I have another one from the Target dollar spot. I get asked about this table all the time. I have plants on it and it works perfectly, but you can use it for like a side table, and I will link it. I think it's beautiful. It's marble on the top, and then I love the color of the wood. And then here is my dining table. It looks exactly the same. I had on my list to get fall napkins that would coordinate with the placemats that I got, but I could not find any, and they still had these napkins out with the fall decor at Pier 1, so I figured, all right, I'm good. It coordinates well with everything I have, so I am just going to leave my table the way it is. And here is a closer look of the napkins and the placemats. They are both from Pier 1. I always add my leaf placemat that I got from Crate and Barrel a while ago under my terrarium just because I love the way it looks. I get asked about this terrarium all the time. I actually made it, and the glass bowl I got at HomeGoods, but the base of it is actually a beautiful wooden bowl that we got as a souvenir from Muir Woods in California. So you can't find this exact piece, but I have seen similar things to this at World Market, sometimes at HomeGoods, or you can just make one with the glass bowl, but I get asked about it all the time, so I figured I'd answer it. And then over here in my breakfast nook, this isn't technically fall decor. However, the wooden mushrooms I think kind of go with fall decor. I have them out all the time because I really like them, and you guys know I love my house plants, so I figured I would give them a little screen time, and those of you who like houseplants can check them out. I hope you enjoyed seeing my fall decor. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you so much, and I hope that this inspired you in some way if you haven't decorated for fall yet, and I will see you in my next video. I hope you have a wonderful day.